Hey everyone, Andrew here with ACR Protect. Thanks for stopping by. Happy Friday. We did it. It's the weekend. I am very ready for it. My eyes are itchy. I just shut it down from work here a little bit ago. Got a little bit to do tomorrow. I don't have to go into the office, but I do have a little bit of stuff. You know, sometimes the best day to get stuff done is when you don't have a million calls and everything else. So that's what I'm gonna do. Cocktail hour, much deserved this week. It is a double feature, and we're gonna go reverse. Normally we're doing the beer, then the whiskey. Today we're gonna do the whiskey and the beer. I don't know why I was doing all that. I don't know. I've got something cool here though. You're like, way to go, Andrew. It's a fucking silicone mold. Yes, it is. It's an ice cube mold. And what is cool about this? No, I no prep here. I just pulled these out of the freezer. Here we go. Can we see it? Ish. See that? ACR Pro. ACR Protect. Oh man, I'm gonna need a bigger glass. Look at that. I'm gonna need a bigger boat. It's a badass ice cube. I don't know if you can see inside there. This is a very generous gift from Alice. Yes, Alice, friend of the channel, got me a very, very cool ice cube mold, custom made with essentially ACR Protect, but ACR Pro. I dig it. Stand by. I'm gonna get a bigger glass. Hold on. All right. Well, like I said, had to get a bigger glass. That ice cube is deceptively big. I had to get a significantly bigger glass, but you can kind of see it in there. So, the whiskey. This is a good one. Had it before. Haven't had it on the channel. Tullamore Irish whiskey. This is good. This is good. As you can see, it's not the biggest bottle. This one's a little more expensive. I want to say this size bottle was about 20, 30 bucks. It was a little more expensive there. Trusty little Kershaw. Get this top open here. Haven't even touched this. They've been sitting on this for a minute. Yeah, sorry. Normally I'm talking while I'm doing this, and I'm just I've been talking all week. Had some shenanigans with work. People doing stupid shit. You ever have that? You ever have people do stupid shit at work? I had a lot of that this week. A lot. So, Tullamore triple distilled. Lighting sucks right now. I need to get that lamp. Thank God for flashlights, right? 40% alcohol by volume. This is 375 milliliters right there. So, crack this open. It smells so good. All right, so this is a big glass. I got to be careful here. I'm just gonna do little bit in there, right about there. I need to go on the hunt for some different glasses for this, because I like it when the ice cube or ice ball takes up a lot of real estate in the glass, and then you pour it around there, and then it, I don't know, it's just cool. Right there, good color. My wife, when I picked this up, she said, she's like, yeah, that's she goes, that's good stuff. She goes, in fact, that, you know, with a lot of her friends and family, they only drink that on special occasions. Price point, and two, it's just kind of a, you know, good way to send someone off, if you know what I mean. So, haven't done this all week, so I feel like I'm off my game. Anyhow, cheers to you and your families. Cheers to Alice. Thank you. This was a very generous gift. I would have never guessed cool custom ice ball molds for cocktail hours. Cheers. Let's get a sip here. Let's see what we got. That's good. It's very good. So you can see, so it's been a minute or so since I poured it, maybe a minute and a half. It got a very nice chill to the whiskey. Sorry, my eyes, I'm not flipping you off. It's a very nice chill to the whiskey. It's just good. So this one has mostly smooth, with just a hint of bite at the end. Not much, just nice though. It's nice, you know, lets you know you're drinking whiskey. Again, that smells amazing. Pretty sure it tastes better because of the special ice cube. Water probably tastes better with that ice cube. It just has good flavor. You know, Irish whiskey, it's been around a long time. Like I said, I've recently just started having it within the last less than a year. And typically what I was doing is I was just buying the little airplane bottles. Specs had them on sale for less than $2. It's like, yeah. Pour that over an ice cube. It's just good just when you're sitting outside. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Itchy eyes. Tullamore Dew. Irish whiskey. It's worth a drink. All right. I'll set that over here with my other stuff. My other whiskey. That's good. Beautiful. So, like I said, we're going a little backwards here. And we are going to do a double feature. So, new beer. Obviously, I'm not gonna intentionally ever do a rerun. Just so you know. Like, you know, maybe if I'm doing like a short or something, talk about something. But as far as like when I'm talking about the cocktails, they're going to be new. This is by Belching Beavers Brewery. It's out of California. Viva la Beaver. Love that. This is a Mexican chocolate peanut butter stout. Yeah, that's what I said. Mexican chocolate peanut butter stout. Like I'm not going to pick that up. Come on. Come on. Alcohol by volume, I want to say 7.5. So not as strong as normally we're doing around here. Picked this up at HEB. It's $3.49 for the can. It's a pint. Belching Beavers has the other beers we've had from them have been good. I'm looking forward to this one. I love the Mexican chocolates, especially like the Mexican hot chocolates, especially around the holidays. Had those before. Got our glass here. Oh my, oh, okay. We're in for something here. All right, let's get a pour there. Look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that. What? What? Look at the color, look at the head. From here, I can smell the peanut butter. I'm excited. Oh my. Look at that. So it is dark brown, damn near black. Head's starting to dissipate there. Not really, see how I'm moving the glass? It's not really like leaving a film. I don't think this one's gonna be all that silky. That's okay though. Maybe it is. Excited about this one. All right, chocolate peanut butter stout. Like as soon as I saw that, I was like, that's going in the basket. That's going in the basket. So again, reversed here. Beer second. Cheers. Again. My dog is trying to go investigate stuff. He just hopped off the bed there, wants to get out, probably because the boys are eating. Huh. Cheers. Let's get in on this. I'm excited. Wow. That makes me smile. This, I'm pretty sure I have a light bulb that is loose inside the enclosure for my fan. I got that fan kicking on. You can see like the reflection there, kicking like Bruce Lee. And I think I got to tighten up those bulbs. That's what's causing that. No ghosts. Sorry. Not a paranormal channel. Or is it? I don't know. This is fucking delicious. Stout flavor. Got that stout. The peanut butter is on point. And then with the Mexican chocolate, it's like a chili. It's not. It's spicy. Is the essence that you get? It's not spicy though. You know what I mean? It's not like a real peppered flavored beer, like a jalapeno beer, which are delicious. I need to see if I can find that. Fucking shit is driving me nuts. Where was that when I was trying to read? Making me all look old and shit. Delicious. What'd I say, 7.1 or 7.2? Not super strong. And that's usually my thing with stouts. Like if I'm having like a solid, legit stout, I expect the alcohol content to be a little bit higher. Just for a certain flavor profile. Doesn't even matter with this. This is so good. This is good. Do you hear him whining? What, dude? Hey. Why are you whining? Because they're having chicken. He's mad because they're having chicken. Oh, I mean, just the smell of the peanut butter. It's... And then you just get those notes of the stout, like the earthy Earthy notes. Oh my God. This is delicious. As far as like mouthfeel, not silky at all. In fact, it probably has a little more carbonation than I would expect out of a stout. Like that is, yep, I'm doing that. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. 7.5, right? 7.5. Get me in line here. Yeah, 7.5. Gotta make it closer. Blind as a bat. Don't get old, folks. Cool can. It's oh, that's actually printed on the can. It's not like a label. Cool little tip of the hat to old Mexico. Belching Beavers, you have done it again. You did not disappoint. This is delicious. That is so good. Peanut butter's on point. Like I said, like it's one of those like, and I know like some of y'all are like, dude, Andrew, you got some weird ass tastes that you like in your beer. Yeah, you're not wrong. But if you're a beer guy or gal, it's good. It's good. I would tell you to try it. Just, I'm not short of being allergic to peanut butter or chocolate. Like I would give it a shot. A little bit of this, a little bit of that water's melted in there. It's kind of. A lot bit of that water had melted in there. Still good though. Still good. Still can kind of see the ACR Pro on there. Dig that. There we go. That's it, folks. Happy Friday. You made it through the week. It's gonna be nice weather. It's Father's Day weekend. So, a couple parts there. Those of you that that are dads, happy Father's Day. Special happy Father's Day to my dad. Yeah. Cheers, Dad. Thank you. That's all I got. That's all I got. So, cheers to all of you. May see me again this weekend. We'll see. Got some different things planned. So, maybe, maybe not. But until next time, catch you later.